Alright everybody, so the next thing I want to do now is I want to add images that are moving, like slider images. Let me show you what I mean. I want to add slider images. Okay, so images like this, I'll bring text and that can be swiped. Something like this. I want to add this to this. So instead of this just one image, it looks kind of boring. So I'm going to add slider images to it. So I'm going to add slider images to it. Okay. So now to add slider images to it, you come to your dashboard. So you come to your dashboard, and under dashboard you go to plugins, then you add new plugin. Now I'm also going to be giving you this for free. So you choose your file, it will be under your resources file. I'm going to send that to you, and if I've already sent it, okay. So you search for web slider to be zipped. Do not unzip it. Install it as zipped. So then you install now. So you install it. You might have to wait a while, and sometimes it might install very fast. Okay, so once it has been installed, the next thing you want to do is activate it. Always activate, so you activate it. Okay, so you see it's not installing. So let me check what the problem is. If it is what I think it is, then I'm going to show you another way which you can install a plugin. Okay. Let's go to plugins. Let's check if it's there. Okay. Is it added there? It was probably a network glitch. So this is it here. This is the plugin that was installed. That web slider. This is it that was activated. Okay, so now you see it here just like the David thing. When you see it here, you click on it. Now the next thing you want to do right now is you would want to change the sizes of your images. Change the sizes of your images so it can fit the screen of the computer or the phone and this kind of stuff. So now I go to 40p as usual. Now the size I like to use is 1200 by 600. You can use 1200 by 500, but I prefer 1200 by 600. Okay. So 1200 by 600. Then make the background transparent. Or let's leave it like that. Okay. Let's leave it as white. Let's make it transparent. So now this is the size I have. Let's check 500. Okay, so this is the size. Okay, let's go with by 500. 1200 by 500. Then let's create. Okay, so let's create that. Woo. Okay, so now it has been created 1200 by 500. So now you come here to your file, then open and place, then you bring in the image that you want to use for your sliders, and you make sure that the images will fit the screen of the 1200 by 500. Okay, so now you can just pick your images. Pick very beautiful images. Okay. Okay. Okay, just make it pretty screen a little. Then we want to export as PNG. So let's name this one slider 1. So let me copy this one so we need to save the other sliders. Okay, so you see, so you do this for all the images you would want to use. Normally, I like to go for 2-3 images. 3 images are usually what I like to go for. But some clients want more, like so many images. But I personally like to go for 2-3 images. So then, let me just do 2 more or 1 more, just to show. Okay, just pick the beautiful images. Okay, so you just bring it to the screen again. Okay, so you put it to screen. Okay, so now let's export this one too. We'll paste our name. Alright, so paste our name. Now let's do this one. So, save. Alright, so you do that repeatedly. You do it repeatedly.